In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Msvcp120.dll missing Battlefield 1. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator in the right pane and simply type sfc space forward slash scan now. Scan now just one word and no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed, and once it is completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and consider to restart. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, you can also try to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on apps, installed apps. Simply locate the application that is giving you the error, click on the three dots and select the uninstall option. Also consider to, once you have uninstalled that, just simply reinstall that into your Windows, okay? Then also consider to update your Windows. So from the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button from here to update your Windows. Next method, check your system type first. Search for system information in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ or Distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. And then double click. This is the latest version. Check this box, I agree to the license terms and conditions, and simply click on install. So install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.